Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 Excel Chapter 11 Cumulative Assessment Variation Accountant. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is EXP22 Excel Chapter 11 Cumulative Assessment Variation Accountant. We move to the main project steps. So total step is 19. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start a Excel, download and open the file name EXP22 Excel Chapter 11 Cumulative Assessment Variation Accountant. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the EXP22 Excel Chapter 11 Cumulative Assessment Variation Accountant. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is you will use the data worksheet through step 14. Your first step is to create a unique ID for each accountant using the year hired, date hired and numbers in cell D2. Enter the date and use the flash fill to complete the pattern to create the remaining ID in the range D2 to D26. So enter the date in cell D2, go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell D2 ID column. So copy the date, go to the Excel worksheet, select the D2 and press enter and use the flash fill to complete the pattern to create the remaining ID in the range D3 to D26. So next use the flash fill to complete the pattern to create the remaining ID in the range D3 to D26. So go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups and next click the flash fill. D3 to D26. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is the accountant full name are located in column E. You want to separate the first and last name and select the range E2 to E26 and convert the text to column using the space as delimiter. Copy the range E2 to E26. So select the range E2 to E26 and convert the text to column using the space as the delimiters. Copy the range, go to the Excel worksheet, paste the range and press enter and convert the text to column using the space as the delimiter. So next convert the text to column using the space as delimiters E2 to E26 and go to the data tabs and go to the data tool groups, go to the text to column, click next, and using the space as delimiters, click next and click finish. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, next you want to display the accountant name with the last name and first name separated by a comma. In cell G2, insert the text join function to join the last name and first name for the first accountant using the comma and space as the delimiter. The name should display the elements and copy the function to the G3 to G26. So next, in cell G2, go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell G2 and insert the text join function. So insert the text join function, the last name and first name for the first accountant, and using the space delimiter, the name should display the items Camille and copy the function to the range G3 to G26. So go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell G2, insert the text join function, type is equal to, and type the text join function, and next type inverted commas and again inverted commas and type true, and E2 close bracket and press enter. So next, copy the function to the range G3 to G26. So next, copy the function G3 to G26. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, column J contain the phone numbers you want to extract the area code. In cell K2, use the mid function to extract the area code for the phone numbers. For the first employee, the star number argument should be the position of the first digits in the area code to avoid including the opening, and make sure function extract the 3 digits area code. Copy the function to the range K3 to K26. So in cell K2, insert the mid function, extract the area code for the phone number for the first employees. So go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell K2 and press enter, and next insert the mid function to extract the area code for the phone number for the first employees. The star number argument should be the position of the first digits, and code to avoid the including the opening, and make sure the function extract the 3-digit area code. Copy the function to the range K3 to K26. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell K2, type is equal to, and type the mid function, and next insert the mid function. So next, J22 select the cell J2 phone numbers and type 2, and next type 3 close bracket and press enter, and next copy the function to the range K3 to K26. So copy the function K3 to K26. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, the location column display the city name in capital letter. Because this is hard to read, you will use the text function to display the cities in upper and lower case. In cell M2, use the proper function to display the first city name upper and lowercase. Copy the function to the range M3 to M26. So in cell M2, go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell M2 and press enter. And next, use the proper function to display the first city name in the upper and lower case, and copy the function to the range M3 to M26. So type is equal to and type the proper function, and next in cell L2 locations, close bracket and press enter, and next copy the function to the range M3 to M26. So next copy the function M3 to M26. So question number 6 is complete. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, you want to create the criteria range to perform an advanced filters. The criteria are 1. Text accountant in Miami and text accountant in Columbus. Copy the range A1 to M1 and paste in the range A28 to M28. Enter the text accountant Miami in the respective and text accountant and Columbus in the respective cells on row 13, and use the column M for the city name. Copy the A1 to M1. Go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range and press enter. Go to thumb tabs, go to the clipboard groups and click copy, and next paste it in cell A28 to M28. 28, click OK, and next enter the text accountant and Miami in the respective cells on row 29. Enter the text accountant and the Columbus in the respective on row 13, and use the column M for the city name. So next, text accountant and the title, and press enter, and press enter, and next one Miami, select the city column and press enter, and next Columbus, and press enter, So question number 7 is complete, and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, now you are ready to perform the advanced filter by copying the data below the criteria range, and click or select in cell within the data set and select the A1 to M26 as the list. Enter the criteria range you defined in the previous step and type the A32 to M32 for the location for the copy record. So click or select the cell, the data set, and select the A1 to M26 Excel worksheet, and go to the data tab and go to the sort and filter groups. Click advanced, select the range A1 to M26 and A28 to M30. And next to copy to A32 to M32 and click OK. So question number 8 is complete. So question number 8 is complete, and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, you want to identify the highest salary for the tax accountants in Miami and Columbus. In cell P2, insert the dmax function. So insert the dmax function in cell P2. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell P2 and press enter. And next insert the dmax function. So type is equal to and type the dmax function, and next A1 to M26, A1 to M26, and next type inverted commas, type salary, and next A28 to M30. A28 to M30, close bracket and press enter. So question number 9 is complete, and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is, we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is, next you want to identify the lowest salary of the tax accountant in Miami and Columbus. In cell P3, insert the D minimum function. So insert the D minimum function. So insert the P3 function in the dminimum function. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell P3.
Villa.
Select the cell P3 and so next insert the dminimum function in cell P3. Type is equal to and type the minimum function, and next in the range A1 to M26 A1 to M26, and next type inverted commas, type salary, and inverted commas, and next A28 to M13 and press enter. So question number 10 is complete, and we move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is, we move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is, the range O5 to P6 contain the news set of criteria to identify the one senior accountant in Columbus. You want to obtain that person's salary in cell P8. Insert the digit function to extract the correct salary. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell P8. And insert the digit function. Type is equal to and type the digit function. And next select the range A1 to M26. A1 to M26, and next type inverted commas, type salary, and next O5 to P6 and press enter. So question number 11 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.